Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. From ancient ruins to world-class art, this is a place where history comes alive. Imagine walking the same cobblestone streets as Julius Caesar, Michelangelo, and countless others who have shaped our world. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there are some places in Rome you absolutely can't miss. Think of these as your essential Roman experiences, the kind of places that will leave you breathless and wanting to come back for more. So grab your walking shoes, your appetite for adventure, and let's dive right in. Our first stop has to be the Colosseum. This isn't just another ruin, folks. This is Coliseum, one of the most recognizable landmarks on the planet. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, it hosted gladiatorial battles, public executions, and even mock naval battles. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the clash of steel, the drama that unfolded within these walls. Make sure to book your tickets in advance to avoid long lines. Once inside, explore the different levels and soak in the sheer scale and grandeur of this incredible feat of Roman engineering. The Colosseum's design, with its intricate system of arches, vaults, and tunnels, was incredibly advanced for its time. The fact that it's still standing today is a testament to their architectural prowess. Ready for our next adventure? Let's go! Right next to the Colosseum, we find the Roman Forum. This place was once the beating heart of ancient Rome, a bustling hub of political debate, commerce, religious ceremonies, and everyday life. As you wander through these ruins, you're walking in the footsteps of emperors, senators, gladiators, and ordinary Roman citizens. Look for the Arch of Septimius Severus, the Temple of Saturn, and the Curia. It's like stepping right into a history book. Close your eyes and listen. Can you almost hear the echoes of chariot wheels, the chatter of merchants, the orators delivering fiery speeches? The Roman Forum is a sprawling sight, so wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. And don't forget your camera. You'll definitely want to capture some memories of this incredible place. Let's move on to our next destination. Now get ready to be amazed because we're heading to one of the most beautifully preserved ancient buildings in the world, the Pantheon. Originally built as a temple dedicated to all the Roman gods, this building is a testament to the ingenuity and architectural genius of the Romans. The most striking feature of the Pantheon is its enormous dome, with its famous oculus at the very top. Stand directly beneath the oculus and look up. Feel the sunlight streaming through that opening, connecting you to the sky above. For nearly 2,000 years, the Pantheon's dome has remained the largest unreinforced concrete dome ever built. The Pantheon is a popular spot, so it's a good idea to arrive early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the biggest crowds. Trust me, a visit to Rome wouldn't be complete without experiencing the grandeur of the Pantheon. It's a masterpiece of architecture and a testament to the enduring spirit of Roman ingenuity. Ready to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain? Let's go. 10. Our next stop is one of the most iconic fountains in the world, the Trevi Fountain. Legend has it that if you toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, you're guaranteed to return to Rome. To ensure your return, use your right hand to toss the coin over your left shoulder. The money collected goes towards charitable organizations in Rome. The best time to experience the magic of the Trevi Fountain is at night, when it's beautifully illuminated. Find a spot to sit on the steps, close your eyes, and just listen to the sound of the water. Before we move on, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the fountain's sculptures. Notice the powerful figure of Oceanus, the god of the sea, commanding his chariot drawn by seahorses. The Trevi Fountain is a truly unforgettable sight and a must-see on any visit to Rome. So make your wish, toss your coin, and let's continue our Roman adventure. Get ready for an awe-inspiring experience as we head to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, and the spiritual center for millions of Catholics. Visit the Vatican Museums, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel. These places are repositories of humanity's greatest artistic achievements. The Vatican Museums house one of the world's greatest art collections. You'll find masterpieces by Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci. In the Sistine Chapel, witness Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes, including the iconic creation of Adam. Finally, St. Peter's Basilica, one of the holiest sites in Christendom. A visit to Vatican City is an unforgettable experience. Ready to explore more of Rome? Let's go! Now let's leave the grandeur of the Vatican and head to a place that truly captures the vibrant energy and charm of Rome Piazza Navona. This bustling square, built on the site of a former Roman stadium, is a feast for the senses, with its street artists, musicians, cafes, and stunning Baroque fountains. At the center you'll find the magnificent Fountain of the Four Rivers, a masterpiece by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. Find a table at one of the outdoor cafes, order a cappuccino or a glass of wine, and watch the world go by. As the sun sets, the square takes on a magical glow. Piazza Navona is a true celebration of life. Let's head to our next destination. Now, are you ready to discover a different side of Rome? Let's hop across the Tiber River to Trastevere, a charming and authentic neighborhood. Trastevere is a labyrinth of narrow, cobblestone streets, ivy-covered buildings, and lively piazzas buzzing with activity. It's the kind of place where you can wander aimlessly, discovering hidden corners and soaking in the authentic Roman atmosphere. One of the best things to do in Trastevere is simply to get lost in its maze-like streets. Be sure to visit the Basilica di Santa Maria in Trastevere, one of Rome's oldest churches, with its stunning mosaics and peaceful atmosphere. In the evening, Trastevere comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. The neighborhood is packed with restaurants, bars, and pubs, offering everything from traditional Roman cuisine to international fare. Trastevere is a feast for the senses, a place where you can experience the true spirit of Rome. Ready for a breath of fresh air? Let's go! After all that exploring, you're probably ready for a little break from the hustle and bustle of the city. Let's escape to Villa Borghese, a beautiful park that offers a welcome respite from the urban chaos. Imagine a sprawling green oasis right in the heart of Rome, a place where you can wander through shady paths, admire stunning fountains and sculptures, or simply relax by the lake. Rent a rowboat and enjoy a leisurely paddle on the lake, or find a bench under a shady tree and enjoy the peace and quiet. Villa Borghese is also home to the Galleria Borghese, a world-renowned museum housed in a stunning 17th-century villa. Inside the Galleria Borghese, you'll find masterpieces by artists like Bernini, Caravaggio, and Raphael. Don't miss Bernini's breathtaking sculpture of Apollo and Daphne. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply looking for a peaceful escape from the city, Villa Borghese is a must-visit destination in Rome. Let's find some scenic viewpoints next. Now let's talk about those postcard-worthy views, the kind that will have your Instagram followers swooning. Rome is a city full of stunning viewpoints, each offering a unique perspective on the eternal city. One of my favorite spots for a breathtaking panorama is the Pincian Hill, especially at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, you'll be treated to an unforgettable view of Rome's rooftops, with St. Peter's Basilica in the distance. For a different perspective, head to the Giannicolo Hill, one of the highest points in Rome. From here you'll enjoy panoramic views that stretch all the way to the Vatican City. Another great spot for a stunning view is the terrace of the monument to Vittorio Emanuele II. From the top you'll have 360-degree views of the city, so grab your camera, find your favorite viewpoint, and get ready to capture some unforgettable memories of Rome. Let's talk about food next. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food. No trip to Rome would be complete without indulging in the city's culinary delights. From traditional trattorias to lively food markets, Rome is a foodie's paradise. One of the best ways to experience Roman cuisine is to visit one of the city's many food markets. Head to Campo dei Fiori, a bustling square that transforms into a vibrant market each morning. For a truly authentic Roman food experience, head to the Testaccio neighborhood, known for its traditional trattorias. This is where locals go for classic Roman dishes like carbonara, cacio e pepe, and coda alla vaccinara. And of course, no trip to Rome would be complete without indulging in some gelato. This isn't your average ice cream, it's a work of art made with fresh, seasonal ingredients and bursting with flavor. So go ahead, treat yourself. In Rome, food is more than just sustenance, it's a way of life. Ready to say goodbye? Let's wrap up our journey. So there you have it. Rome in all its glory. From the grandeur of ancient ruins to the vibrant life in its piazzas, Rome is a city that will steal your heart. I hope this virtual journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Rome for yourself. Whether you're here for the history, the art, the food, or simply to wander its charming streets, there's no place quite like it. Every corner you turn, every alleyway you explore, is filled with history, beauty, and a certain that's unique to this incredible city. Thank you for joining me on this Roman adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite spots in Rome, or the places you're most excited to visit. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask away in the comments below. Arrivederci!